Good morning. We are up and ready to go. As you can see, Venice High right in my background. Mr. Plies is over there in his palace over there. Mr. Plies.
Hello, everybody. Hope you guys are having a great weekend and are ready to work next week.
We're getting close to that end, people. This is it. We keep saying we're getting close to the end. This week we're going to focus on week 32. And in week 32, as usual, you will see our normal procedures. We'll have the scoops, 45, 46, Delta Math 45, 46, and your gift for the week. As you have noticed from last week, we started opening up the gifts ahead of time. Well, not ahead of time, immediately. So if you finish your assignments first, please, go ahead and work on the quiz. You don't have to wait until Friday to work on that gift. As always, you have our video in our Google Slides, which we are going to go to right now. Mr. Plies.
Right, so as you guys can see here, our theme for the week is what to do if you're failing Algebra 1. Okay, what to do if you're failing Algebra 1. And this is covering week 32, which is April 19th through April 23. And inside this theme, you will find some steps you can take to improve your grade and pass the class, or improve your grade as well. Okay, Mr. Tusman?
Okay, so the agenda, School 45, 46, Delta Math 45, 46. Bear with me. Okay, there we go. Okay, and then your gift, 24, quadratic equations. Before we move away, let's take a look at what we have, some information here as far as want to improve your grade. What can you do? So take action. The worst thing you could do is to realize you are failing a class and then do nothing. Don't dig yourself in deeper by not doing any work or simply not attending class anymore. Do not pretend the problem doesn't exist. Some of you email us or message us saying, oh, I can't come today. I'm so far behind. I'm not going to participate today. I want to play on catch up. And we don't see any results. We know this. Look, we haven't been teaching this. We've been teaching for so long. We understand the situation that some of you are in, but you will never get past it if you don't get busy. Plain and simple. You got to wake up and get ready. Okay, you got to wake up and get ready. So as you can see, focus on what you can accomplish today. Be like, you know what? I have half an hour. Let me see what I can do in this half an hour. Maybe I could do 10 problems. Maybe I could do one assignment. Mr. Plies?
Yeah, I think you said it all. I mean, if you can do something about it, it's time to do it right now. Okay, again, we're running out of time. So what can you do? That's what we're going to be talking about in the following slides.
Continue, sir.
So your learning objectives and standards for the week. We're going to continue to factor. Okay, we're going to continue to factor. Your standards are there. You can get some more support by going to chapter 7.4 and 7.5 of your textbook. And so what's one of the things that you guys can do if you want to improve your grade right now? Have a conference with us, okay? We can talk about how you can improve your grade and we can do this during our office hours. So come see us during our office hours or ask to speak to us during or after class whenever we have some free time. Okay, so again, have a conference with us to see how you can improve your grade. Mr. Tesman?
Very well. Okay, so as far as the scoops, 45, the X method, this is going to be a review of what we have done prior weeks and using the S method to factor. Okay, so scoops are usually done within the first 10 minutes of class. And again, we go through it. We go over the right answers. You just have to do it. Okay, just do it. Be a Nike, just do it. Moving on to scoop number 45, Mr. Pelias.
Why don't you go with that scoop 45 and I'll do the Spanish version.
What you trying to say, Mr. Pliers? I could do. Okay.
I need, all I'm
Sorry.
saying is I need to practice my Spanish, that's all.
Oh, yes. So factor 5x squared plus 37x plus 14. Now this came from your guys's Delta math work, okay? We went through this. So you know how to identify A, B, C. We took this problem straight from your Delta math. So you can't say, oh, I've never seen this before. Yeah, you have. You saw it. You already did it. Okay, so you should be able to finish this like a couple of seconds. So as you can see on the left-hand side, you're going to identify A, B, C from that trinomial. And then down below, we want you to go through and say box number 1, box number 2, box number 3. So you can see the boxes. I'm going to have my spotter on. You see box 1, box 2. What goes in box 1, box 2? What goes in box 4? What goes in box 5 and 6? Okay, so all these boxes pertain to this right here where we say number 4, number 5, number 6. So take a look at this image here and tell us what goes in those particular boxes. And again, Mr. Platt, was so nice to give you guys that multiplication table here. Most of you probably grab a calculator, but this table is here for you. Okay, and let me go to the Spanish. Go ahead, sir.
Right. Como acaba de decirlo Mr. Tesfom, en el SCOOP 45, lo que vamos a estar haciendo es usando el polinomio que está ahí, el 5x cuadrado más 37x más 14. Y lo que vamos a hacer es identificar cuál es el A, B y C. Y después van a usar la imagen que está en medio, que tiene cajas verdes para hacernos saber qué pondrían adentro en esas cajas verdes. ¿No? Pocas palabras, cuál es la A, cuál es la B y cuál es la C. Y ustedes van a poner todo eso dentro de las cajas verdes. A eso es lo que se refiere el SCOOP del problema 4 al problema 9, box 1 hasta box 6. Ustedes van a tener que poner los números que corresponden con cada caja. Mr. Tesfom.
Okay. Moving on to SCOOP number 46. Again, you are given a trinomial, identify A, B, C. But this time we're going to ask you to use that X method to solve it, okay? So here you're going to solve it. Now use the X method to factor the problem out, okay? So you are going to work it all the way out and factor it. You're not solving it, but you're factoring it. Remember, this is everything we've done last week as a review. So again, as you can see on the top right-hand corner here, we do have some comments that we're not going over with you, but you should be able to read this for yourself. It's just telling you, how can you improve your grade? We talked about in the previous slide was, how can you get a 4? Real easy. You watch the videos, got yourself 2 points right there, automatically. 50% is you watching the videos. And then the other 50% is you doing the work. And then here, the projects, okay? Mr. Plies, is there anything else you want to add to this, or?
The only thing I can say for scoops, assignments, and project tests is that they're all open for you. They're all open for you to either improve them if you already have a grade and you don't have a 4, or complete them if you haven't done so already so you can get some points.
Continue, sir.
Ok, entonces como lo acaba de decir Mr. Tesfom, ahora vamos a hacer el mismo problema que hicimos en el SCOOP 45, pero lo que vamos a hacer es factorizar este polinomio, así que van a usar la misma información que se usó en el SCOOP 45, pero ahora van a factorizar completamente. No nada más es simplemente identificar lo que es la A, la B y la C. Así que usen por favor la imagen que está a mano derecha y también usen la tabla de multiplicación para que los ayude a factorizar. Mr. Tesfom.
Okay, so Delta Math, as you can see, we are going to work on assignment 45 and assignment 46. If you quit now, it becomes a habit. Never quit, okay? And as you can see, the exams. We give you exams. You got an exam coming up within 2 more weeks, within the next 2 weeks. So you got to get it done, okay? And quiz 24. And again, everything is due by Sunday, 8 p.m. And don't forget, you submit your work, we'll give you an extra point. Mr. Plies, reminder.
All right, so as you guys already know, your projects, Martin Luther King and the Women in Mathematics projects, are all past due for those who have not turned it in. Okay, they are all past due. However, like your assignments, scoops, quizzes, and exam one, it is still possible for you to complete your projects. All you got to do is follow the instructions and submit them. That's all you got to do. Okay, so make sure you understand you guys can still complete the projects. And also, what else can you do to improve your grade besides completing scoops, assignments, projects, quizzes, and exam? Ask for help. To who? Your parents, okay? Teachers during the after-school tutoring, and you guys can look at the Venice High website for the schedule. Or ask us, Mr. Tesfel, Ms. Hogg, and myself. We are available during our office hours, Monday, 12:40 to 1:10, and then Tuesday through Friday, 8:30 to 9 a.m. Very few of you take advantage of that support. We almost always see the same students, okay? Come see us, come get some help, okay? Come get some help. And I really like that quote that's on the left side. I'm gonna read it to you guys. It says, if you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. If you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. Okay, so it's all up to you guys. Okay, so make a choice, guys. Successful?
So true. I like that code right there. So true. If you are determined, no one can stop you. Okay. So that's all we have for this week. What discipline will you create for yourself? That is to be seen. Remember, you're a freshman. You're just starting out. You are just starting out. Okay. It's endless what you can accomplish. This is the time to decide.